Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm here with a couple of my salespeople. We've got Aaron Ann Boyd and Brian Bickett. Now these guys are kind of special. Both of these guys are in the 1,000 Order Club. So therefore, how'd you get these t-shirts, Aaron Ann?
Well, we both individually did 1,000, did more than that, but shipped out 1,000 orders a piece.
That's a lot.
It's a lot.
That's a lot of orders. And you two, you all handle the West Coast.
Correct.
And what would you say is kind of the things that are really the best part of handling the West Coast distributors?
Well, it's really cool in our region because we actually have a warehouse in Nevada. So Brian and I get to ship a lot of quick ship items out of there. And our team is currently working together to figure out what more inventory that we need there so we can get more things
Do
out
even
from
more,
Nevada.
right.
Yeah, all the regions have their own outside regional manager. Ours is Carl Jensen, and he's been really great. He's able to be there right there with the customers. He can help with field measures, or it's also cool because he actually lives out there, so he's on their time zone, and a lot of the times when we are not in, because we're based out of Louisville, Kentucky, he can take care of some of their quotes when we're sleeping.
That's right. Good point. And Brian, what do you have to add to this, if anything?
Milt, I'm going to be honest, and I'm going to say that I just enjoy working with Erin Ann and being her partner.
Oh, what a deal. And I think you need to show them your the t-shirts you've got on here today. So these guys, you know, according to you all, the West Coast
is the best coast.
All right. So that's what we have today. Thank you guys for being a part of it. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.